Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to blur text on Filmora. Blurring text in Filmora is a quite straightforward process. First of all, open your Filmora application on your device and then go ahead and click on the plus button, double click on it and select the video you would like to edit from your device's library. Double click on the video and import it onto your Filmora project. Now drag the video clip and release it in the timeline and you will be able to import the video clip. Once you've imported the video clip that has text on it and you'd like to blur out the text, then the first thing you'll need to do is to click on the clip on the timeline and then go to Effects at the top of the screen. Inside Effects, go ahead and look for the option. Go ahead and expand the included option and then look for the Mosaic tool. Once you find Mosaic, go ahead and drag the Mosaic tool onto the timeline. Once you add the Mosaic tool onto the timeline, go ahead and make sure that the edge of the Mosaic clip aligns with the video's starting and ending. You will be able to see the blur tool on the preview as well. Drag the blur tool and then select the part you'd like to cover up. Make sure that the blur tool covers your text on the video. Adjust by dragging the edges and make sure that you make a clean selection. Go ahead and cover the entire text with the blur effect and then you can also adjust the amount and type of blur if you need. Double click on your blur tool. On the left hand corner, click on the type drop down. Adjust the type and amount of blur you would like to use on this clip. You can also drag the sliders in order to intensify the blur amount and opacity. Finally, after you are done, click on OK and then preview the video in order to ensure the blur effect is applied correctly. Click the play button on the playhead at the top and that is how you will be able to blur out a text or a logo or anything that you don't want to show up on the video. Once satisfied, export your video by clicking on export at the top and following the prompts. So that is how you will be able to blur text on Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.